Hello all, I'm Sarvesh Kumar from Einstein Group of K1s1t8. Today, my topic of choice is data description and I'm going to talk about quartiles. So, what is quartiles? There are three types of quartiles, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1 or first quartile is a number such that 25% of the total number of data, means 1 over 4 of the total number of data. Q2 or second quartile, also called median, is a number such that 50% of the total number of data, means it's 1 over 2 of the total number of data. Q3 or third quartile is a number such that 75% of the total number of data, means it's 3 over 4 of the total number of data. And now we look at the examples.
Okay, now we go for the quartiles for ungrouped data. The question asks us to find Q1, Q2 and Q3. So, when we get this kind of question, first of all, we have to arrange it in ascending form. So, the question already in ascending form. So, we just need to find Q1, Q2 and Q3. So, first, to find the Q1, we know the Q1 is a 25% of the total number of data. So it means 1 over 4 multiply n, which is n is the total number of data. For this question, n is equal to 7. Why 7? Because f is 7 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we just need to multiply 1 over 4. Multiply 7, we get 1.75, which is non-integer. If we get non-integer, we have to take the integer number, which is the following number, which is 2. For example, if we get 3.2 or 3 point something, we have to take the following integer number, which is 4. So this means a second observation. So we have to take the second number of the data, which is, second one is a 120. So the Q1 is equal to 120. Okay, now we go for the second question, which means find the median or second quartile. We know the median or second quartile means that 50% of the total number of data. So this means that 1 over 2 multiplied by 7, which is the total number of data, we get 3.5. So this is also a non-integer number, so we have to take the integer number, which is the following number of this one lah, which is 4, means the fourth observation. So we have to take the fourth data as the quartile number 2 or median. So the fourth observation is 138. So the quartile 2 answer is 138, or median is answer is equal to 138. Okay, now we go for the third quartile, which means 75% of the total number of data. So 75% is equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by the total number of data, which is 7. We get 5.25. Okay, this is also a non-integer number, so we have to take the integer number of the following number, which is 6 observation. So the sixth observation will be the third quartile. So the 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 148 is our quartile, third quartile. Okay guys, let's say the question asks sketch box and whiskers for the above diagram. So to sketch box and whiskers, we need 5 things. The first is minimum value, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, and maximum value. So the minimum value for this data is 114. So we already know the Q1, Q2 and Q3. This one is 120, 138, 148. and the maximum value is 151. Okay guys, so this is how a box viscous diagram look like. This is minimum value, here Q1, here Q2, this one is Q3, and here is maximum value. This one is the box, and this one is the viscous. So now we need to find which one is longer, right viscous or left viscous, or right box or left box. So to find the which one is longer, for the viscous, for the left viscous, we need to minus Q1 minus minimum value, and for the right one, we need maximum value minus Q3. For the box, for the right box, we need to find the range, which one, how we minus Q3 minus Q2, and for the left one, Q2 minus Q1. So stop. So for the left viscous, Q1 minus minimum value. So we know the Q1 is 120. We minus with the minimum value, which is 114. We get 6. For the right whisker, maximum value minus Q3. So 151 minus 148, which is 3. So now we know the left viscous more longer than the right viscous. Okay, now for the box, for the right box, Q3 minus Q2. So the value is 148 minus 138, which equal to 10. For the left whisker, left box, sorry, Q2 minus Q1, 138 minus 120, so we get 18. So we know this one is more longer than the right box. Just sketch it. The right, we sketch the box. You know the right box is shorter than the left box. So this is our Q1. And the whisker, left whisker is much longer than right whisker. Q1, Q2, Q3 is a maximum value, the minimum value. So this one will be 120, 138. Q3 is 148. This one is 151, and this one will be 114. Okay, that's it. So for the left whiskers, Q1 minus minimum value. So we know the Q1 is 120. We minus with the minimum value, which is 114. We get 6. For the right whisker maximum value minus Q3. So 151 minus 148, which is 3. So now we know the left whiskers more longer than the right whiskers. Okay, now for the box, for the right box, Q3 minus Q2. So the value is 148 minus 138, which equal to 10. For the left whisker, left box, sorry, Q2 minus Q1, 138 minus 120, so we get 18. So we know this one is more longer than the right box. Just okay, we start with the box. We know the left box is longer than right box, so just draw it. So the left one is more longer than right one, so it will look like this. So for the whiskers, the left whiskers also more longer than right one, so just draw. So this is our minimum value, maximum value. Here we go, Q1, the Q2, and Q3. So the minimum value is 114, Q1 is 120, Q2 is 138, Q3 is 148, and the maximum value is 151. Okay, this is how the box whiskers look like. That's all. Okay guys, this question asks to find the quartile 1 and third quartile. So as I said before, when we get this kind of question, first we need to arrange the data. So I already arranged the data, so we just need to find the Q1 and Q3. So the total number of data is 12, and equal to 12. So to find the Q1, as I said before, Q1 is 1 over 4 of the total number of data. So we just need to multiply 1 over 4 multiplied by 12. So we get the third observation. Remember, this is not the answer. When you get the integer number, don't directly take the third observation as your answer. Okay, this is an integer number. So when you get the integer number, you have to plus with the next number and divide 2. For example, for this in this case, we get the third observation, right? So we need to plus the fourth observation and divide 2. So the third observation is 34 and the fourth observation is 35. We plus both and divide 2. So Q1 is equal to 34 plus 35 divide 2. We get 34.5. This is our answer for quartile 1. Okay, now we go for the third quartile. So just like before, as we know the third quartile is 70% of the total number of data. So 3 over 4 multiply the total number of data, which is 12, and we get 9. 9th observation. Remember, I said before, we cannot take directly the 9th observation as the answer. So this is an integer number, so we need to plus the next number and divide 2. So the 9th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. is 1 and 10th observation is 46. So Q3 is equal to 44 plus 46 divided by 2. So we get 45. So this is our quartile, third quartile. Okay guys, this is okay guys, this is our final answer. Okay, that's all from us. Okay guys, that's all from us. Hope this video will help you to solving the quartiles. And lastly, thanks for watching the video and good luck for your PSTM too. Thank you very much.